I've been working in IT for quite some time. I think 17 years, and also I've been guiding people in Germany that are foreigners in Germany to find a job here. The most crucial part is the experience that comes with working in the German industry. That's the part everyone struggles with when they want to find a job on a German IT job market. Also, internships are hard to get to. What we can offer for you to be able to compete with other people on the German job market, what can actually um, bring you closer to German working culture. The offer we have is kind of unique. You will get an internship without actually working in a company. What we want to provide for you is a learning and working environment that is as close as it gets to the German job market. You need to be able to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And on top of that, you're going to learn top-notch technologies that will enable you to work as a full-stack developer. It's a lot about self-study. We are providing a great framework to learn, a lot of practical work. So the best thing that we can give to you is helping you to be able to learn by yourself, which you will need all your career, and putting all the knowledge you get from there in practical work. In this practical work, we can guide you through a program where you work in teams on practical tasks. So the first tasks that we want to get you working on is projects, small projects like creating your online resume and online portfolio with modern web technology. We want to introduce you to technologies like Vue.js, TypeScript, Bootstrap. In our second project, we want to help you to make a backend service that is managing your resume data. So basically, you at the end of the module number 1, you will get a self-developed. You will develop yourself a front end and a back end that work together and will enable you to work with those technologies. Vue.js, TypeScript, Bootstrap, Python, Flask, things that you are already familiar with after this course, Python, Flask. But on top of that, of course, we want to enable you to work with tools that are used in industry. So Visual Studio Code, and then of course all the other tools that are related to this job, such as automated deployment with GitHub. The great thing is after these tiny projects, these fundamental modules, you will get the chance to work on bigger team projects. The way we work in those projects is the same as the people in the German IT industry work. It is working in teams. So we'll get assigned a team, and you have a 2-week cycle. So you plan your work 2 weeks ahead. You say the next 2 weeks we have these goals. We're going to work on these goals. There's going to be a planning meeting where you divide all the tasks upcoming. Either it's just learning or actual development in tiny parts, and plan what can I actually achieve in those 2 weeks. The same way in the German IT industry project managers and Scrum Masters work. Those 2-week sprints, they will give you the opportunity to connect on a daily basis. So you will get online and have your daily stand-up. You'll tell each other, okay, today I'm working on this. I will be able to do that, but here I don't know how to advance, and you will be able to exchange with your managers and with your team colleagues. So you can work together efficiently. And also being able to help each other well, because you will be communicating a lot. And then at the end of such a 2-week cycle, we'll get you to review your work, present your work, and also have a retrospective of how were we working together. So you'll be able to improve the working process in this team. Of course, throughout this process, we will guide you to enhance your efficiency in working together and also enhance your coding skills. We will provide all the materials that you need to teach yourself all the things, and we'll have Q&A sessions regularly, so you'll be able to pick up all the knowledge and ask questions, of course. Also, we will be available in the chat, so you can always come back to us. As it is a lot of learning, it is a lot of teamwork and practical tasks. Of course, there'll be challenges, and we are always here to help you with those challenges. So those 2-week sprint cycles will get you there to work in teams, and you will work on a team project that you pick yourself. So we will have an ideation workshop where we will help you to develop an idea of a project that you want to do together. Those little projects you can then grow within the next coming months to develop your own project that you can showcase in the future. So at the end of the whole program, you won't have just a online resume and all the technology that you can show, but you will also have a project, an individual project that you developed in a team and can then develop further after the course. Of course, we will do an assessment and give you certificates after the course, where we will go in detail about the code quality and the standards that we have for teamwork, for example, and we will talk about your presentation skills. If you embark on this journey with us, you'll learn a lot and you'll level each other up and come closer to how it is to work in Germany.